Hey guys, just want to do a quick update for you. If you haven't seen my Terro Ant Bait video where I do a before and after and a time lapse of the Terro ant killer, go check it out real quick. So this is an update. Somebody mentioned in my comments it's been about 4 months since I did that, so I want to go ahead and give you guys an update. As you can see, there are no ants. I did that treatment 4 months ago. I just did like one treatment. I don't see any ants anywhere around this. So like I said, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll put the link in the description below and also in a comment. I'm sure 6 months later it'll still be about the same, no ants. So if you're wanting to get rid of your ants, this Terro is a really great solution. It's long lasting, you don't have to use much, and it works really fast. Just wanted to show you kind of the bigger picture here. Shout out to Terro. If you guys are having ant problems in your home or your garden, go pick up some Terro for $3.50. It's pretty cheap and get rid of all your ants for a long time. Anyways, thanks for watching.